Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Production possibilities curve questions get easy fast when you spot whether the economy is efficient, inefficient, or impossible. So watch this and lock it in. The production possibilities curve shows the maximum combinations of consumer goods and capital goods a country can make with its current resources and productivity. So every point on it uses resources fully. If the country can produce more capital goods without giving up any consumer goods, it must be operating inside the curve, because inside points mean some resources are unemployed or used inefficiently. Outside points are unattainable with current resources, while points on the curve already use everything. So the inside point is option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past what the graph allows. Rule, trust the given curve and check each point's location carefully.